In today's video, let me show you how to use Claude AI on your mobile device. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. The first way that you can use Claude AI on your mobile device is using the app version. So make sure you head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Claude and make sure you download this application. Once the installation is complete, you can simply tap open the application. And once you're inside of this platform, you'd either need to log into your account if you already do have one. If you don't, you'll need to sign up either using your Google account or your email address. If you use the Google account option, you just need to select one of your Google accounts and you'll be immediately signed up. But however, if you're trying to use your email address, then you'll need to create a password. Now, after you either logged in or signed up to Claude, you'll be taken to this platform where you'll have a chat section where you can type in prompts or ask any queries. You can also turn on the voice mode to start chatting with the voice commands on the Claude platform. Now, apart from this, if you don't want to download the app version, you can also use it on the web version by opening up a web browser. You can just open up a web browser and search for Claude AI or Claude, and you can see the first website, which is the Claude AI platform. You can also use the web version using the same process as I showed you. If you already do have an account, make sure you log in, and if you don't, you can also create one. So I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.